Hello students, today we are going to solve some numericals based on Nernst equation. We have already done this Nernst equation. We know that Nernst equations calculate the effect of concentration and temperature on electrode potentials as well as EMF of the cell. Clear? So for electrode potentials, we know that E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 upon N log 1 upon Mn aqueous, Mn positive aqueous, that means concentration of that ions. ठीक है? And for EMF of the cell, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N log concentration of anode divided by concentration of cathode. So this is your Nernst equations, how to calculate the effect of concentration and temperature on electrode potentials and EMF of the cells. हम इसको ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स में, आज इसके न्यूमेरिकल करेंगे. So first numerical is calculate the reduction potential for the following half cell at 298 Kelvin. Clear? We have this half cell Ag positive aqueous plus 1 electron that converted into Ag solid. ठीक है? Given Ag positive, that means concentration of Ag positive ion 0.1 m and E naught, that is standard electrode potentials of this silver plus 0.80 volt. Clear? So first of all, we know that E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 upon N log 1 upon concentration of Mn positive. Here N number of electrons involved and Mn positive concentration of ion. So in this equation, we know that Ag positive aqueous plus 1 electron that converted into Ag solid. Clear? That is your reduction reactions. ठीक है? In this case, N is equal to 1. Clear? And concentration of Ag positive is equal to 0.1 m. Clear? So put this value here and E naught is given 0.80 volt. So E is equal to 0.80. Clear? Minus 0.0591 upon 1, N is 1, log 1 upon concentration of, here Mn positive, in this case we have Ag positive, so this 0.1 m. So E is equal to 0.80 minus 0.0591, this become log 10. Clear? And we know that log 10 is equal to 1. So this become E is equal to 0.80 minus 0.0591, and at last calculate this. So this becomes 0.741 volt. So this is your electrode potentials by using Nernst equation. Okay, so this is your first numerical. Now next numerical is calculate EMF of the cell in which the following reaction takes place. ये reactions है हमारे पास. Nickel solid plus 2 Ag positive, its concentration is 0.02 m, converted into Ni2 positive, its concentration 0.16 m plus 2 Ag solid, and given E naught cell is equal to 1.05 volt. Clear? Now in this case, here we calculate EMF. So for EMF, we know that E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N log concentration of anode divided by concentration of cathode. This is the formula for E cell. Okay, so E cell is given. Clear? Here we want to calculate this value of N. Clear? So that value comes from this equation. Equation is Ni solid is converted into Ni2 positive aqueous by losing 2 electron. This is oxidation. So this is your anode. Okay? And at the same time 2 Ag positive aqueous by gaining 2 electron is converted into 2 Ag solid. So this is your cathode. Clear? So in this N is equal to 2. Clear? Concentration of Ni2 positive 0.16 m and concentration of Ag positive 0.02 m. So put this value here. E cell is equal to E naught cell, that is given 1.05 volt minus 0.0591 upon 2 log. Now your anode is this nickel and its concentration is 0.16 m. Divide by cathode is this Ag positive, so this become Ag positive square. So this is your 0.02 square. Because in overall reactions we have 2 Ag positive, so concentration become Ag positive square. Here we have stoichiometric coefficient 2. So E cell is equal to 1.05 minus 0.0591 upon 2. ठीक है, if we solve this, so this become log 4 into 10 raised to power 4. If we solve this, so this become log 4 into 10 raised to power 4. Clear? So again E cell is equal to 1.05 minus 0.0591 upon 2. This become log A into B. So this become log A plus log B. Log A into B, that become log A plus log B. So value of log 4 is 0.6020 and log 10 raised to power 4. Log 10 raised to power 4, this become 4 log 10. ठीक है, log 10 raised to power 4, that become 4 log 10 and log 10 is equal to 1, so this become 4. Clear? And 4 plus value of log 4 is 0.6020. So this become E cell is equal to 1.05 minus 0.0591 upon 2 and this value become 4.6020. Value of log 10 raised to power 4 is 4 and value of log 4 is 0.6020. Clear? So this become 4.6020 and if we calculate this, so this become E cell is equal to 0.914 volt. So this is your EMF of the cell at 298 Kelvin. Clear? This is your second numerical. Based on this, here calculate EMF of the cell. E naught cell is given, cell equation is given. So So like this we can calculate this. ठीक है. Next one more numerical. Calculate E naught cell for the following reactions at 298 Kelvin. Reaction is A plus B 2 positive, its concentration is given. That converted into A 2 positive, its concentration is given, plus B. Given that E cell 2.6805 volt and 1F 96500 coulomb per mole. Okay. So in this case we want to calculate E naught cell. ठीक है. And simply we know that E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. But for that we need reduction potential, standard reduction potentials for this and for this. ठीक है. तो वो तो हमें दिया नहीं है, तो हम कहाँ से निकालेंगे? फ्रॉम नर्नेस्ट इक्वेशंस. वी नो दैट E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon n log concentration of anode divide by concentration of cathode. Clear? So from here E naught cell is equal to E cell plus 0.0591 upon n log concentration of anode divide by concentration of cathode. ठीक है. अब हमें क्या निकालना है? सिर्फ वैल्यू ऑफ E cell is given, concentration anode and cathodes. So in this A is converted into A2 positive, okay, plus 2 electron. So this is oxidation, this become anode, and at the same time B2 positive by gaining 2 electron is converted into B. So that is your cathode. ठीक है. So anode is A2 positive and cathode is B2 positive, and here N is equal to 2. N कितने हैं आपके पास? 2. So E naught cell is equal to E cell given how much? 2.6805 plus 0.0591 upon 2 log concentration of anode. So anode is A2 positive, its concentration is 0.0001 m divide by concentration of cathode. Cathode is V2 positive, its concentration is 0.01. Clear? 0.001. Okay. So E naught cell is equal to 2.6805 plus 0.0591 upon 2. So this become, if we solve this 1 2 3 and 1 2, so this become into log 10 raised to power minus 2. So E naught cell is equal to 2.6805 plus 0.0591 upon 2. So this become minus 2 log 10. Okay. So as we know that log 10 is equal to 1, so this become minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 cancel, but this become E naught cell is equal to 2.6805 minus 0.0591. Okay, so this is your E naught सेल। ठीक है, इस तरह से हम इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। ओके ओके, एक और न्यूमेरिकल करते हैं इसी के ऊपर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कैलकुलेट ईएमएफ ऑफ द सेल cell is Zn oblique Zn2 positive aqueous and concentration is 0.01 m. Clear? Salt bridge. After that, Cd2 positive aqueous. Its concentration is 0.1 and converted into Cd. This is your electrochemical cell, and here we want to calculate EMF at 298 Kelvin. Given E naught Zn2 positive oblique Zn, that is standard reduction potential for this, minus 0.76 volt, and second is E naught Cu2 positive oblique, sorry, Cd2 positive oblique Cd, that is equal to minus 0.40 volt. This is standard reduction potential for both the electrodes. दोनों इलेक्ट्रोड का क्या है, स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल्स. ओके, so we know that E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon n log concentration of anode divided by concentration of cathode. Okay, so we need the value of n and E naught cell. Concentration is given, so we know that E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So from here we know that this is oxidation half cell, this is your anode, and this is reduction half cells, this is your cathode, and reaction is Zn solid is converted into Zn2 positive by losing 2 electron oxidations. That means this is your anode, Cd2 positive by gaining 2 electron aqueous, Cd solid. This is cathode. Clear? So cadmium is cathode and zinc is anode, and here n is equal to 2. So calculate first of all E naught cell. So cathode is cadmium minus 0.40 volt minus 0.76 volt. So this become how much? कितना आएगा ये? 0. plus 0.36 volt. Okay, then E cell is equal to E naught cell 0.36 volt minus 0.0591 upon n is equal to 2 log concentration of anode. Anode is Zn, so its concentration is given 0.01, and cathode is cadmium, its concentration is given 0.1. Okay, so this become E cell is equal to 0.36 volt minus 0.0591 upon 2, and this become log how much? This become 10 raised to power minus 1, and we know that log 10 raised to power minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This become minus 1 log 10, and log 10 is equal to 1, so minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so E cell is equal to 0.36 minus 0.0591 upon 2 into minus 1. So this become E cell is equal to, the answer is 0.3895 volt. So these are the numericals based upon Nernst equation. That means how we can calculate the effect of concentration and temperature on electrode potentials and EMF of the cell. Okay.